Questions 1 through 10 on the 2011 Grade 7 Gauss Math Contest. The value of 5 plus 4 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 is, well, 5 plus 4 is 9, minus 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, minus 1 is 7. So it's a simple addition question to start off the contest. Number 1 is E. The value of 9 plus 16 under the square root sign is, 9 plus 16 is 25, and then the square root of 25 is 5. So number 2, the answer is E. Students were surveyed about their favorite season. Their results are shown in the bar graph. What percentage of the 10 students surveyed chose spring? So spring is here. It was chosen by just one student. So 1 out of the 10 students chose spring, and in terms of a percentage, that's 10%. So number 3, the answer is B. Ground beef sells for $5 per kg. How much does 12 kilograms of ground beef cost? So 1 kg is $5, and they want how much is 12 kg? How much money? So it's a simple question that involves a ratio. So we can cross multiply and get x is equal to 5 times 12, and that means x is 60. So $60 is the answer. So number 4, the answer is C. The smallest number in this list is, so the best way to compare them is just to line them up. So we have 10101, then we have 10011, 1.0110, 1.1001, 1.1100. So look at the first column, they're all the same, so that doesn't help us. This column, these are all zeros and these are ones, so these ones are obviously bigger. Now let's look at this column. The smallest number in there is a 0 for this guy. So that is the smallest. Another way, if you wanted to, is just multiply everything that brings these 4 digits before the decimal and just look at those 4 digits. If you do, this becomes 101, this becomes 11, this is 110, this is 1001, and this is 1100. If you were to multiply everything by 1000, and this, of course, if you look at these numbers, matching it up like that, obviously the smallest is 11. So either way you did it, it would get to the same answer. And that is 1.0011, which for number 5 is B. You are writing a multiple choice test, and on one question you guess and pick an answer at random. If there are 5 possible answer choices, A, B, C, D, E, what is the probability that you guess correctly? So the probability, the total number is 5, so that goes in the denominator, and the numerator is what you're interested in, and that in this particular question is getting an answer correct. And there's only one answer choice that is correct out of the 5, so it'll be 1 out of 5. So number 6, the answer is A. All of this equals, so we've got a whole bunch of 1/3s. And of course, adding fractions, you only add the numerator, so that'd be 7/3. Now they're saying which one of these is equivalent to 7/3. Well, if you go through these one by one, you will realize that the only one that's equivalent is choice E. 7 times 1/3 is the equivalent of 7/3. So number 7, the answer is E. Keegan paddled the first 12 kilometers of his 36-kilometer kayak trip before lunch. What fraction of his overall trip remains to be completed after lunch? So he's initially done 12 kilometers, and of the 36 kilometers, he's got 24 left. So the fraction that he has remaining is 24 over 36, and that is 2/3 in lowest terms. So number 8, the answer is D. If the point 34 is affected in the x-axis, what are the coordinates of its image? So here is the point, here is the x-axis. You treat that like a mirror, and if you flip it or reflect it in x-axis, it would go 1, 2 here. And they want to figure out what is the coordinates of that point. Well, the x-coordinate is the same, but the y-coordinate now becomes -4. So number 9, the answer is D. I bought a new plant for my garden. Anika said it was a red rose. Bill said it was a purple daisy. Kathy said it was a red dahlia. Each person was correct in stating either the color or the type of plant. What was the plant that I bought? This might be just a coincidence, but Anika Rose is actually an actress, and I just saw her, not in person, but in a movie recently. The movie was called Everything, Everything, and it's actually a very interesting film because it's about a girl who has been quarantined by her mom. So because we're going through that right now, I found it kind of interesting. Anyhow, I just wanted to mention that because you got Anika Rose there. Anyhow, back to the question. We've got 3 people that are saying what the plant is. So we got red rose, we've got purple daisy, and we have a red dahlia. So the question is basically saying that each person is correct once. So either the red is correct or the rose is correct for Anika. Either the purple is correct or the daisy is correct for Bill, and either the red is correct or the dahlia is correct for Kathy, but not both. So you kind of, think through this and say, okay, well, let's say Anika has read about the red part, the color. Well, if the color of the plant is red, then that means that Anika and Kathy both get the color correct, but they must get the actual type of flower or plant wrong. So it's not a rose and it's not a dahlia. So it must be a daisy. And the purple part is wrong for Bill. So you see how it matches up like that? And that's all this is, just kind of working through it like that. So we conclude that it is a red daisy, and therefore number 10, the answer is E.